Do you think you need to know how to draw before you can create cartoon characters? You don't. Even if you can't draw, you can learn this. Watch this. Everything you're seeing right now, from the head to the body, arms, and legs, this is what you'll be able to create yourself. No complicated drawing and no AI shortcuts. Just a simple, step-by-step method anyone can follow. Now listen, this course is worth 10,000 Naira, or $10 for basic, and 20,000 Naira, or $20 for premium. But right now, I'm giving early access to the first 100 students. You can join the basic class for just 2,000 Naira, or $2, and premium for 5,000 Naira, or $5. Once the slots are filled, the price goes back. Click the link below and send MOHO to get started. Let's get you in.